making Twitter a social media monarch. Elon on the board of directors. The well-known billionaire CEO Elon Musk has crossed various milestones across Tesla, SpaceX, Starlink and Ad Astra School. He now has the perfect opportunity to grasp the globally wide social field of Twitter. Having the largest share in the company, Twitter Incorporated, TWTR.N, he has now been offered the position of being included in the Twitter board of directors. Twitter is now more than ready to bring about various necessary changes in the social media sector, and Elon seems to be the perfect fit for this job. His time on the Twitter's board is set to expire in 2024. 14.9% of the company. The changes that Elon plans to bring on Twitter during his served time are the freedom of speech and the change in Twitter's content moderation, standing up against cryptocurrency scams impersonating big personalities like Elon Musk himself. With the help of popular vote, he is also planning on introducing an edit button. Change Twitter's strict algorithm to give freedom to the users of the social media platform and make it an available open source. Twitter has gained more significance because of the billionaire Elon, who aims to make Twitter more user-friendly and the most accessed social media platform. Taking the social media platform by the wind, Elon proves yet another triumph in his successful career.